walking down this road of mine, this road that I'll go home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see?
The effect of whole branches of shape stability. Introduction. A shape intact buoyancy refers to stability to float upright and remain stable when its hull is undemade and all compartments are watertight. This inherent buoyancy is crucial for safe operation. However, variances in the hull compromises this significantly impacting stability and potentially leading to capsizing or sinking. Understanding intact buoyancy. Intact buoyancy is determined by the ship design and the relationship between its weight and the buoyant force exerted by the water it displaces. Archimedes' principle states that the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the water displaced for a ship to float. Its weight must be less than or equal to buoyant force. A reserve of buoyancy is built into the design, ensuring the ship remains afloat even when with some weight increase or partial flooding. This reserve is typically calculated considering only watertight compartment below a specific datum watertight deck or equivalent structure. Factors affecting intact stability. Several factors influence a ship intact stability. Metacentric height, GM. This is the distance between the center of gravity and the metacenter. A large GM indicated greater stability. A positive GM means the ship is stable. A negative GM indicates stability, and a GM of 0 means neutral stability. Center of gravity. The lower the center of gravity, the more stable the ship. Weight distribution significantly affects GS position. Pre-surface effects in the tank containing liquid. The pre-surface effect reduces stability. The liquid surface acts as a pendulum, applying an healing moment. Internal force. When waves and current can create healing moment, potentially leading to stability. Effect of whole branch. A whole branch introduces water into ship, altering its weight distribution and buoyancy. The effect depends on the branch size, location, and the shape design. Loss of buoyancy. The float compartment loses its contribution to buoyancy, reducing the overall buoyant force. Ship in the center of gravity. The added weight of the water shape, the center of gravity, potentially causing a healing moment. Increased drop. The ship sink deeper into the water to compensate for the loss of buoyancy. Reduced metacentric height. The combination of reduced buoyancy and ship center of gravity lower the metacentric height, potentially leading to stability. Damaged stability. Damaged stability is the study of the ship behavior after the whole branch regulation, like SOLAS mandate design standard to ensure sufficient damage stability. This involves considering various scenarios, including the size and location for the bridge and the resulting flooding. Watertight compartments are crucial in limiting the extent of flooding and maintaining stability. Conclusion. Intact buoyancy is essential for a ship's safe operation. However, a whole bridge significantly impacts stability, potentially leading to serve consequence. Understanding the principle of intact and damaged stability is crucial for ship design, operation, and safety regulation.